Welcome back to DelftStack Tutorials. In today's video, we'll learn how to create a time-based quiz on Google Forms. Let's get started. Make sure you're logged in, then click on Blank Form. You can create a quiz or survey from here. I already have some templates and quizzes created, so I will give you a quick walkthrough. This is my quiz. Here you can see an existing quiz. Click on the three dots. From the menu, select Get Add-ons. A new page will open. In the search bar, type Timer. You will see several time-based quiz options. Select Form Limiter. Review the options, then choose Form Limiter. Click Install. The installation process is quick. Follow the on-screen steps. Click Continue. I'll select all permissions and continue. After a few seconds, the add-on will be installed. Click Done and close the panel. You will now see the add-on icon. Click it and select Form Limiter. The add-on is now active. Click Configure to set it up. The configuration panel will appear. Choose what happens when time is over. Set the quiz start and end time. Scroll down to adjust the settings. Select the date. For example, choose the 16th at 10 p.m. Set the start time. The quiz will start at 10 p.m. Now select the end time. Use the same date. Set the duration to 5 minutes. Additional options are available if needed. Click Save when you're done. The settings will apply. Go back to the previous section. You'll see the countdown timer. It shows when the quiz will become active. Your time-based quiz is now ready. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.